Hello everyone, glad to meet you here. My name is Andre. I'm project manager from Informunity and I will conduct this webinar for you. Informunity is a gold partner of Bitrix24 and for more than 18 years we have been helping customers to set up CRMs, telephony, and adjust Bitrix24 platform for their business needs. So we will be glad to help you to choose a Bitrix24 license to set up your CRM and telephony, to train your employees how to use Bitrix24 to optimize your business processes, to customize Bitrix24 and integrate it with other systems, and write an application based on Bitrix24. So you're free to put comments under this video if you have any questions and contact us. So what is this webinar about? This webinar is for those who are new to Bitrix24 and we will show how to start using Bitrix24. So let me share my screen and tell you more about our company and the structure of this webinar. Okay, so let me go through the slides. Here are things that we can help you with. I've been telling you about this. And here is our company numbers. Okay. And first, let me tell you about the structure of this webinar. This webinar will take about 20-30 minutes and we will show you how to use Bitrix, tell you what is Bitrix24 about. We will register in the system, create a new Bitrix24 instance. We will invite your employees to a new Bitrix24 instance. Then we will organize its structure. We will have a look at the communications, have a look at the CRM. Then we will have a look at how to import data into Bitrix24. And I will be glad to answer your questions if you will have any and put on the comments. Okay, and the small bonus will be for you after you hear all the information. Okay, so what is Bitrix24? Bitrix24 is something more than just a CRM system. It has these parts like CRM part, tasks and projects. It also helps to automate your business and it has many collaboration tools. I will show you this. It has sites and store builder and it has AI features with Copilot. We will have a look at almost all of these points except sites and stores during this webinar. Okay, first step is to register Bitrix24. If you're new to Bitrix, probably it's good if you have your own instance. So please grab this QR code and create your own new Bitrix24 instance. I've already created my own, so I don't need to go to this link. And the next slide will be how to use support, how to contact us if you have any questions. So here is a Bitrix24 instance, the test environment. And first thing that I would like to show you is how to use support. You may go to this question mark on the top, and if you have any question, please type in and you'll probably find an FAQ answer to this one. But still, if you don't have a response, you might always get in touch with us. Here is our logo. Please write to us in the chat and we will give you the support. Okay. What do we need next? After you created Bitrix24 and you know how to get some support if you have any questions, it's a good step to invite all of your employees to Bitrix24. And here's how to do this. First of all, you may go and push this invite button on the right top, and then you may choose options how to do this. The most convenient and easy way is just to copy this link, and then you will be able to invite people from outside and inside your company. So you may send it via WhatsApp, via email, whatever you like, and people will get the link. They will have a form to join your Bitrix24. They will put their data and easily join. So another one option is to invite it by email. So you write here the phone number or email, the first name and last name, and etc. Documentation, just like having email one by one separated by space or comma. Then another one like this. Okay, and you can also invite Bitrix24 partner. Please type in this email. It's our email, and we will join your Bitrix24 instance as partners, and we will be able to help you with installation and customization and setup. Okay, um, let's go to the next topic, and company structure. Okay, let me show you the company structure. It's easy to navigate through Bitrix using this quick search on the top. Recently, Bitrix24 has updated the company structure. It showed some new features like deputy supervisor, permission control, role-based permissions. Everything you see on the screen is now will be available on new Bitrix24 Supernova. And let me go through this and have a look. Okay, so I can create my own tree of my organization and departments and set up supervisors and do all the hierarchy I need. So it's very simple to use it. What I need is to, if I would like to add a new department, I just put on the plus button, then I put a name of the new department, add description on this, and I set up who will be in charge of it and who will be subordinate. So you may adjust it according to your needs, and then you will be able to create a tree. Why this is important? Because you can utilize then the department when you create some task or send some messages or anything in Bitrix. You will be able to assign departments, send emails to all the departments, and so on. So it's very easy to and convenient to use it instead of enumerating all of the employees one by one. You just can pick up a department and that's it. It will be there. Okay, so let's go to the next topic, and this one is communications. It's an important part of Bitrix is how to communicate with your colleagues, and there are lots of tools of it. Let's have a look at how to use it. On the right side, you've seen, let me go back and show you. So on the right side, you see the communication tab, and you see avatars with whom I'm talking to. Okay, and if I go to the chats, I see these tabs. First is chats inside my company, one by one, or group chats. So I can start a conversation with my colleagues, and whatever I want, I can send them files, photographs, I can send tasks or create meetings. I can use as emojis. Okay, and I can invite colleagues to this chat, and this chat will be upgraded to a group chat. I can make calls and video calls up to 1,000 users. So it's very powerful tool to communicate. One more thing here is Copilot. I can communicate with this AI assistant. Just pick up a role of AI you would like to speak to, and then you may imagine that this is a very skilled employee with whom you can uh, communicate and get advices. Okay, with the Collab tool, you can invite someone who's outside of your company. And by this, it will, if you use some outsourced personal, or you wouldn't like, maybe your customer, you would like to invite it to a project, it's a nice tool to do this. I think later on we will have a more detailed view on this tool, but at the moment, let's leave it as it is. And channels, um, you know, you can imagine it's like one-to-many type of communication. You can invite your departments or entire company and spread news across them. They can comment on the news. They can, you know, um, put their reactions on these news, something that like this. So it's a nice tool to keep everyone updated. A contact center gives you an opportunity to chat uh, with someone outside of a company. But in terms of if somebody writes to your um, web form on the website and start chatting there, you can reply here, and you can connect many other points of connection. Let me show you here. If we go to contact center, and let me show you what exactly you can connect to these chats. Of course, it can be social network like Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, many others as well, as you may see on this screen. So imagine that you don't have to send your agents to every other platform or teach your customers to use some specific type of communication. Instead of this, you can use the power of Bitrix and connect everyone to one place. Your customers use the way of communication they prefer, but at the same time, your agents work in the same place, and you can control these chats because you um, see these chats, and you can provide a nice SLA for all the communications. Okay. What else in the contact center? Of course, you'll get notifications whenever someone writes to you or send messages. You can set this up. Telephony, you can actually, our company can help you to configure telephony, and if you need some preferences in telephony options, we are ready to help you. And yeah, I think this is it regarding the communications. Let's go to the next topic, and this is the CRM, and let's start using this. Okay, I'm going to CRM, and let's imagine that I have some kind of a business where I sell new cars to customers, and let's imagine what I can offer to my customers. Okay, I go to deals and I just want to create some car sales. Yeah, I've done it, and I just wanted to show it to you. Yeah, you can imagine that There is some specific business in which I need to do some steps to close the deal successfully. And here I have a new step. I got a new deal. Then I have qualification stage. Then I getting requirements for a customer, and then I create a quote for him, and then I sign a contract. Then we get the payment. Then we prepare the car to the customer and we deliver this car. So this is the process uh, made exactly for the car sales business, but you can modify it for your own business. And this is a nice Kanban view, so I can drag and drop my deal through the stages. Okay. Um, yeah, so this were about the sales pipeline and the stages. And of course, if we uh, you don't you know, Bitrix has different price plans. We can help you to choose one. Here you see that pipelines for free price plan it's only one, for standard it's 5, for professional it's 20 pipelines, for enterprise unlimited number of pipelines. The pipelines are here, as you may see. Yeah, okay, so I've shown you the pipelines. I've shown you how to do the quick setup for your business, so you can change the names of the stages and you can rearrange them the way you like and adapt it to your business. The next thing I would like to show you is the deal card and fields. So your agents will work with deals this way. They have this kind of view. On the left side, you have some kind of static data. On the right side, you have activity field, which refers to some actions and interactions, communications with your customers. Okay, so I would like to show you the types of the fields. On the test portal, we have lots of fields, but I would like to show you how to create one for yourself. And you just push create and you can create a screen or a list, you know, different types of fields. And let's do it for this car sales business. And we can create first of all the address of our customer. Okay, so like this. And then we can, what do we need to get from our customers and fill it in the deal is maybe their, what car do they prefer? Maybe they need a big truck or they need a bus, something like this. Let's do this. Um, Create a list, type of a vehicle. And then we type in, okay. Then we add something new like, and so on. Then you may add some color thing and let's like this and arrange the deal card the way you like. Remove all the unnecessary fields that you don't need. Maybe you don't need a contract. You can hide it. Okay. So you arrange the deal card the way you like so it's convenient to use it. Okay. Let's go to the rights section and show you how to use this one. Okay. As an admin, I can set up the rights on the CRM, and I go to settings and CRM settings. Then I need this permissions, access permissions. And here I can set up a detailed approach to the access, and because this is important, your agent, they have, if they have full access, if they work on some oscillate, like maybe Excel sheets or other CRMs, maybe they have access to all of your entities, and it may be a security risk to your business. I've really known some cases when there was a problem when agents took the database, and it was a major concern for a company. So by arranging these types of roles and access permissions, you may address this problem and be sure that um, you won't lose any sensitive data. Okay, let's go to this role and see what's inside. And we see that there are some actions like read, add, edit, delete, export, import, and we have entities on the left. For example, we wouldn't like our sales agents to export data from CRM, so we deny access for this type of operation. Okay, so you now see the idea how to do this. You just need to go to CRM, set up the access rights, and be sure that nothing will be lost, but at the same time, your agents have access to the necessary data. If you are stuck with this, please contact us and we will help you to configure the access rights. Okay. One of the big part in the Bitrix is the tasks and projects. And actually, this one of the most popular part of Bitrix, and users do install and start using Bitrix24 just because of this part of it. And of course, if you have lots of employees and your company grows, you somehow need to cope with the mass of tasks and do this in the right way, in the project manager type of way. And let's create a test project and create a task there. So we would like to do some new market, and we would like to start working with this. And for start working on this project, I would like to create a new task. We will start using the Copilot AI to create a task, and we will ask AI to help us with this. Okay, so as simple as this, I'm asking Copilot to help me to create a task to enter a new market, and that's it. You see that it created 10 steps. Well, sounds good. And I save it. Then I would like to create a checklist out of this. Okay, great. Then I can set up a responsible person. This is me. Okay, I can set up my colleague and set up finish date, deadline. That's it. Oh, test name, okay. Okay, the task is created. I can switch the view, the Kanban view, and manage all my tasks in this cozy way. Okay, so as you may see, we've just created a new task and we have all the necessary points here. We can create a project, we can create a task with a deadline and use all the power of Bitrix, you know, for collaboration and for utilizing AI. Okay. Looks nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is the data import, and there are lots of ways to import data into Bitrix24, but today I would like to show you the most convenient one using Excel, import from Excel application, right? So let me go back to my test environment and let's find this application here. Import from Excel, right? Here it is. It has three simple steps to import your data. First one, we need a file, and actually I prepared one for you. This is the example file, and I will, as you may see, this is, it has some columns and rows with data. Imagine you exported it from somewhere, and now we can use it. Okay. So first step is just uploaded this file, right? So we just pick it up from our, sorry, I go to my desktop and upload it here. So yeah, actually what happened now is that our application, it automatically binded the right column with the right data. I just have to check it, double check it. We have a name, lead, okay, that's fine. Phone, that's correct. Email address, that's right. Comment, yeah, we will add our address to comment field, that's fine. And work email, this one. Perfect. So as you may see, we may choose where to upload it, to leads or companies, contacts plus deals. Just let's leave it as leads. Then we choose some options like create new entities, who will be the responsible person. And the next step is just upload the unique data. Okay, let's do this. Good, it's done. So let me duplicate this tab and let's check what's in there. If I go to leads, will I find it there? Let's have a look at the list view. Yeah, 16 seconds ago it was added. I got a lead. And let's check what's inside. Yeah, yeah, that's completely correct. All the data was saved and it was really easy to transfer data to the CRM. Okay. Okay, please leave your comments, your questions under this video, so later on we will be able to answer it. And these are contact data. Please write to us. And here is our bonus for you. Thank you that you shared your time and followed this webinar. And we would like to grant you installation of our new brand app, Consultant GPT, which helps to communicate with customers using AI, and we will add you 200 additional units to test it and use it. Okay. Okay, everyone. Thank you for being with us. I hope it was interesting for you. Please leave your comments, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.